Hello everyone. This new CIF may look complicated, but it really isn't. In 2007, we had a CIF that installed the course reminder icon banners in every cyber course. This CIF will update the pictures that are used in the banners, but not the banners themselves. So that's the trick of it. It's not going to be a really big change. First thing you want to do is download the remind zip file from the staff learning community. And once you do that, you'll have a folder by the name of new icons. You want to put that on your desktop. That way they'll be easy to find when you're putting them into your course. Once you open up your course, what you're going to do is go to the control panel and click on Manage Files. You're going to have to find the place where the first set of icons were placed in your files for your course. The reason being is you're going to upload the new GIFs, the new icons, overwriting the existing ones. That way you don't have to change anything with your course. All you're doing is changing the source file that those reminder icons pull into the banners. So here's what you do. I know in my course I made a new folder called Reminder Icons, and this is where all these icons live. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload. I'm going to find the new icons, and I looked on desktop, found new icons, and they're right there. So what you're going to do then is find an icon. Let's start with the first one, article. That's one I want to update, but I have to make sure that I put it exactly where the original ones are located. Like I said, mine are under the title reminder icon, so that's where I'm going to put it. I'm going to upload it, and it's going to say that there already is a file. Do I want to overwrite it? I do. It'll upload it, and now when I look at my new article, that's what it looks like. You have to do that exact same thing for every one of these GIFs. There are other ways to do it, but this I think is the easiest one that will cause the least amount of confusion. You do that 10 times or 12 times over, and it's done. You are done the CIF. If you go into your course and you look and you want to see how fancy these new icons are, and you go in and you realize that the one that you put in are still the old ones, what you have to do then is go into the designer options for the page, click on Edit File. That'll give you access to the HTML code from that page. Some of you are very aware of this. Some of you maybe haven't seen this before. What you want to do is make sure that this right here matches with this part right here. As you can see, these two don't match, so in order for my new icons to show up, I'm going to have to change that to an H. I click on Save, and then when I go back to my course, the new icons will show up. Most of you won't have to do this, but if there was any changes in your course code lately, this might have to be done. And that's it. For some of you, this will take 10 minutes. For others, it might take a little bit longer. Some of you are probably thinking, why are we doing this? There's two reasons. It'll update the look of our courses, having new pictures in. And two, it'll teach you how to use the My Files area in your course, or how to find and fix an HTML code issue in your course should the need arise. Like I said, for some of you it won't be a big deal. For some of you it'll be a little bit more of a learning curve, but that's why we do these CIFs. It'll improve the courses, and it'll give you experience working with the My Files area in your course. Alright, if something doesn't work quite right, let me know.